So you're welcome on how to solve this maths problem, but do not use the calculators. Let's now start with our solution. So here now we have 5 to the power of a, then plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 400. So we are supposed to find the value for a. So let's now factorize it. We shall have 5 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 400. So let's work out the number that is inside the bracket. So now we shall have 5 to the power of a into bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 400. Divide both sides by 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now 5 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once. 2 into 400 is 200. So 5 to the power of a is equals to 200. So what we need to do next is now to introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall have 5 to the power of a. The log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 200. So when you have, for example, the log of k to the power of p, according to the law of logarithm, this one can be written as p, the log of k. So now we shall have a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 200. So now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5, then here also with the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel because they are similar. So a is equals to the log of 200 all over the log of 5. So let's now simplify this one very fast. So the value for a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 20 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 5. So when you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So when we know that, now we shall now have it as the value for a is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 20 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 5. So next now we shall have, so the value for a is equals to, so log 20 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then shall put it into bracket, then plus log of 10 can be written as log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all of this all over the log of 5. So next the value for a is equals to, so here now shall have the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then plus the log of 5, plus this one also the log of 2, then all over all of these by the log of 5. Then when we try to now to simplify further, so a is equals to, so the log of 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus, so here now shall have log 5, then also plus the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, then all of these are now to the log of 5. So next we shall say that the value for a is equals to, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 2, then now shall divide both sides by the log of 5, then plus, so here now shall have log 5, then all over the log of 5, then plus also log 5 over the log of 5 over the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So let's now simplify the ones that are similar. So a is equals to, so here now we shall have 2, just still 2, the log of 2 all over the log of 5, then plus, so log 5 and log 5 cancels, we shall now have 1 plus log 5 and log 5 cancels, plus again 1, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So when you have, for example, the log a all over the log b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b, so according to the law of exponents. So now we shall now have our answers. A is equals to 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 here now, then plus 1 plus 1 is 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So these are now shall qualify to be the most correct answer. So I don't know which answer did you get. So comment your answers on the comment section. So let's now prove that you are correct. So by confirming what we've got, So let's have the maths problem. So we had 5 to the power of a, then also plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 400. So let's now prove it. So instead of writing it as 5 to the power of a, now we shall now have 5 to the power of the whole of this 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus here again 5 to the power of 2, the log of 2 base 5, then plus 2, then also plus 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 2 the base of 5 is equals to 400. So let's now check if it is bringing that 400. So now we shall now write it afresh by now having 5, then 5. So the log of 2 log 2 base 5 can be written as the log of 4 to the base of 5. Then we shall now have the plus means multiplication. So we shall multiply again by 5 to the power of 2. Then the plus means multiplication again. 5 to the power of the log of 2 base 5. Then the plus here also shall write the plus. So now we shall have 5. So instead of having that, shall now have 5 to the power of the log of 4, the base of 5. Then plus here we shall have multiplication again 5 to the power of 2, then multiplication 5 to the log of 2 base 5 is equals to 400. So next now we shall now say that so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now we shall have 4, then 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25, then multiplied by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5 multiplied by 2. Then from there now we shall have plus, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now we shall have 4, then multiplied by, so 5 to the power of 2 is 25, then also multiplied by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, 2 is equals to 400. So let's now prove it if it is correct. So now 4 multiplied by 25 is 100, then 100 multiplied by 2 is now 200, then plus this one 4 multiplied by 25 is 100, 100 times 2 is 200 is equals to 400. So 200 plus 200 is 400 is equals to 400. So it means that our answer is correct by proving it otherwise, and we get the correct answer. So that now convinces us fully that our correct answer for the value for a is equals to 2, then the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2 again plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.